Hello my friends, Gabriel with the Last Huntsman channel here. Had to be down in Springfield, Missouri. Sucks, I hate being in a big city, but you can hear the highway. But they got a hiking trail here. It's called the Springfield Nature Center. So I figured I'd do a video showing it. It's probably not going to be so whoop-de-doo. It sucks and I probably won't even post it. We'll see how it goes. Now this park here, this hiking trail, the Springfield Trail, is pretty well regulated. I mean, it has fancy walls everywhere and nice done up trails. I kind of like being way out in the bush a lot more, but see how this trail goes. It's been years since I've hiked it. I'm not sure if it's as long as what it used to be either, but we'll see. I got me a GoPro, so I'm gonna see how that goes. Kind of hard to hold this steady. Those deer are just right there, about 30-40 yards in front of me. It's damn near within bow range. This is just right here on the Springfield Trail here. Let's see if I can sneak in closer. So there was 2 deer, 4 deer, oh my gosh. Looking at me. I'm so scared now. Oh, okay. A bunch of doe. Let's see if I can move in just a little closer. Make a good little clip. Got it. They're just studying me. Excuse me. Bunch of kids back there screaming at the deer. Pisses me off. And you see how much disrespect the younger generation has. You really start feeling like an old man once you start saying that, though, don't you? It's like those damn youngins. They have no damn respect. conifer forest. This would be a pretty nice hiking trail if it was a lot farther out of the city, but the fact that it's right on the edge of the city kind of makes it soft. Almost be fun for a biking trail. I like how they got a lot of the trees just grown right up in the middle of the trail too. Kind of makes it feel a lot more organic. Well, there's my first bridge, although it's not really much of a bridge. It doesn't cross over any body of water. Pretty neat. Although it sucks that they have the damn construction shit up here. I don't even see the point in that. Thing that can be noted about the Ozarks area surrounding Springfield is it does have some of the cleanest water in the state. That's kind of funny. Built natural or birdhouses out for them. So I hope you guys appreciate these hiking videos, especially me doing the walk-tos and walk-aways, because it actually takes quite a bit of extra time to do. If any of you have ever tried doing that, you basically have to hike a ways and then hike right back so you can get the camera shot. going? So I'm out of the woodland area now, and it kind of comes open to a kind of a plains. It's kind of odd. Still sucks to hear the highway right off in the distance, but it'd be a lot nicer if they made it farther out in the woods. There's another really nice hiking trail down here. I'm not going to have time to do it while I'm here this time, called Busick. I may try to do it over Christmas because I got to come back down to the Springfield area for family Christmas and stuff, so I may try to do Busick while I'm down here. Now you might ask why. So the long trail just keeps going right across this bridge. I see this photo blind. I'm not sure what the hell that is, so I'm gonna go check it out real quick. Kind of almost surreal walking through these narrow tree lines. I see water line up here. I'm wanting to think that it might be Springfield Lake, but it's been 10 years since I've hiked this probably, so I can't quite remember. Oh shit, there's some geese out there. Let me see if I can sneak up on them, get a better view. Figured I'd hike to the end of this little photo blind trail just to see what the hell it is. I see some kind of deal at the end of it. I made it this far, but anyways, so it's some kind of pillbox deal of some sort where you can, I guess, peek through and do pictures, maybe without the geese seeing you. I don't know, kind of odd. So I figured I'd sit down and talk to you guys. I know I was kind of explaining this, but it's pretty important to actually carry your gear on you so you could, build your body up to it, because if you never carry your gear on you, and when you actually have to, you're not going to be able to. Your body's not going to be used to it. And so, I know you might look like an idiot walking around with like a ruck pack or tactical backpack or whatever, hiking through a trail, but you're going to look even more like an idiot when you actually have to and not be able to. So, that's just a quick little tidbit for me. Figured I'd check out these geese a little more. Get a little closer to them right over here. Alright, I'm going to do a quick little jog just to get back onto the main trail. Testing out how well this headband works too for a GoPro. If any of you have ever been to the Ozarks region of both southern Missouri and Arkansas, you'll know it's pretty rocky and pretty hilly and have a lot of cliff facings and stuff. Pretty neat area. Certainly wouldn't want to be in the city, but the outskirts, pretty nice. Pretty cool. The path here is all stone. Kinda gotta watch your footing a little bit, but pretty nifty. These rocky trails here kind of take a toll on you after a while. Quite a bit more tedious going through them. Yeah, I'm liking this trail for the most part. Like I said, the only thing that would make it a lot better is if it was farther out in the country. Just a second here, boys. probably gonna do another quick little jog, just keep my cardio going and see how well this GoPro works. It's kind of fun to jog through too. So as you can see, there's the lake I was just previously at. That cliff face that I showed you guys earlier, I've been basically hiking all the way around it. Can't believe it's been about 10 years since I've done this trail. Feels kind of good though. Just get to see God's beautiful green earth and kind of reflect on what all I've done with my life since then. So the thing I like about the Ozarks area surrounding Springfield is it's a lot more hilly and rocky and a lot more diverse terrain, which can be pretty handy in a, we'll just say it, WROL, shit hit the fan scenario, just because a lot of people don't have the intestinal fortitude to hike all these hills. Kind of sad to see that's how people are anymore, but the truth is just the truth. Using the GoPro again. Apologize if the video is a little jumpy. I've been trying to not film other people, and considering this is right attached to Springfield City, there's quite a few people here, but trying to give them their respects and not film them because they don't necessarily want to be on camera. So, despite there being quite a few people here, I've enjoyed this trail. Been kind of fun. Like I said, it's kind of nice catching up on old times. Deer just right there. It's literally about 15 feet from me. Fox Trail Bluff, and go check it out. Hiking trail's not all that long, so I might as well check out every extra part of it. I'm eager for next week. I'm going to be doing the Van Meter hiking trail and a couple day camp out. Still debating whether I want to bring the tent or the tarp, or both, but we'll see. Basically, I'm going to be camping and fishing, so it might be a nice change of pace video, and see if I can knock out some knife reviews while I'm out there. So this Fox Bluff here overlooks the entire lake. Pretty good fall down there if he was to ever slip off there. About 200 feet, maybe. Kind of odd to think I was just down there less than an hour ago. Hell, you can see about a mile out there. Or more. Having to backtrack a little bit, and taking that Fox Bluff trail, it kind of got me turned around, so I head back a little ways. No big deal. Burn some calories, right? Not that I need any. If you haven't noticed, I'm kind of a skinny man. Basically, I'm descending down the hill now. Pretty cool looking. Peering down the lake and everything. Okay, so I just got done with the Fox Bluff Trail. I'm going to go down to the Boardwalk Trail. It goes right along the lake, and that's kind of a lot of bridges right over the lake. Looks pretty nifty. If I recall right, yeah, the Boardwalk Trail goes around in a circle too. So there's one main long trail, and I've been doing that the whole time, but it has a couple little break-offs, and they kind of have their own little circles. So I've been doing all the smaller break-offs. Kind of a neat deal. It's a balcony overhanging this cliff ledge here. Pretty nifty. About 20-foot drop off right there. So I'm almost done with this trail here. Here's the very end, or the beginning as well. Basically just one big loop. Well, my friends, that was the Springfield Nature Center hiking trail. It's not real long, only 2 or 3 miles. Probably about 3 by the time you add in all the extra little side trails. Well, that was pretty fun, and thanks for watching. Be prepared, both physically and spiritually. God bless, and carry on.